5 Health Benefits of Consuming Maca Root Powder Daily. Benefits of Maca Root Powder. Maca, originating from Peru, is a natural superfood celebrated for its exceptional properties. Rich in essential nutrients and adaptogenic compounds, maca root powder presents a variety of benefits to promote overall well-being. From elevating energy levels and enhancing mood to aiding hormonal balance and fertility, this potent supplement has gained notable recognition for its positive influence on human health. Here are the top 5 reasons why incorporating maca root powder into your daily routine is highly recommended. 1. Improves blood pressure. Incorporating maca root powder into your diet assists in regulating blood pressure. Abundant in sodium and potassium, it aids in blood pressure control and diminishes the likelihood of heart-related ailments. 2. Reduces stress. This powder boasts a high antioxidant content, which aids in stress reduction and anxiety alleviation. Introducing this powder into your diet helps diminish anxiety levels and promotes overall bodily health. 3. Provides energy. Ingesting maca root powder supplies the body with energy and alleviates fatigue. The powder's anti-fatigue properties combat bodily exhaustion, providing relief from leg, back, and neck pain. Additionally, consuming this powder offers immediate energy and alleviates bodily discomfort. 4. Good for bones. Maca root powder is abundant in calcium, promoting bone strength and providing relief from bone pain. Additionally, this powder aids in addressing osteoarthritis, a condition often associated with calcium deficiency. 5. Beneficial for skin. When incorporated into daily routine, maca root powder prevents tanning and promotes radiant skin, ensuring its health. Regular consumption of this powder nourishes the skin, resulting in a flawless complexion. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.